Now let's create bill of material for the wheel semi-finished good. So we have just created bill of material for finished product. Now what about for the semi-finished product? And we are gonna do the same. So we double clicked on CS01 create before, or you can just type CS01 here. That's creating bill of material, and we can now change this one to TRWA 2000-00, which is tool aluminum wheel assembly. We want to specify what kind of parts are going to go into the semi-finished product. And if you have done that, just hit enter, and then you're going to go to the next page, and here you will have to specify the components that go into your semi-finished product. And the first one is TRTR 2000-222, which you have just created in lab 1, touring tire. If you don't have this one, you have to go back to lab 1 and create this product. So I'm going to say, yeah, this is the right one, and I need one of them there. And the second one is L, and TRTB 1000-222, which is RF2, right? So wheel and tube, we need them, and quantity is 1, and the third one is TRWH 1000. That's a touring aluminum wheel, and I need one of them. And next one is HXNT 1000. That's a hexanut 5mm, and I need one of them. The next one is LWSH 1000. That's a lock washer 5mm, and you need two of them. And bolt 1000, and that's one of them we need. And if you have done that, hit enter. That will display component description. So touring tire RF commutator 222 that I created in lab 1. The second, the RF tube 222, again the same thing that I created from lab 1. Touring aluminum hex nut and lock washer, socket head bolt. Those things are indicated here. And if you have done that, now you can hit save, and you created your BOM for TRWA 2000-222. Since we have only one semi-finished product, I think this is it for that.